નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is fourth part of 14th chapter Electric Current and its Effects of Standard 7 Science. In the last part we discussed about the circuit and switch and filament. How is it so? Suppose if switch is on, then we can say circuit is closed, but if the switch is off, then we can say that circuit is open. And see, if the filament is broken, the filament is broken, then also the circuit will not complete, and hence that lamp will not glow. At that time also we can say the circuit is open. That what we discussed in the last part. In this part we will discuss the heating effect of electric current. So let's go for that. Activity 2. The aim of the activity to observe the heating effect of electric current. Let's go for that. First of all, take an electric cell, a bulb, a switch and connecting wires. We have to take an electric cell, a bulb, a switch and connecting wires. Make an electric circuit as shown in 14.9. Make an electric circuit as shown in, so simple electric circuit you have to make. You have to join that two terminals of cell or battery with a switch through and the other terminal through the lamp or bulb, and the other terminal of the bulb to the once again to the switch, like that. So make an electric circuit as shown in figure 14.9. Let me draw the figure. See, this figure is there. Instead of, let me draw that circuit. Suppose this is a battery, this is a switch. By this time it is open. Now okay, so this is the circuit. You should go for that you require, this is a switch, isn't it? This is a cell and this is a bulb, and these are the connecting wires. That what you will require for this activity. Okay, this activity has to be done using only one cell. This activity has to be done using only one cell. Keep the switch in the off mode. You can see by this time also our switch is in the off mode, isn't it? Off position. This is the switch and it is in the off position. Then does the bulb glow? Okay, if the switch is in the off position, we know that we can say the circuit is open and hence this bulb will not glow. Touch the bulb. When bulb is not glowing, at that time you have to touch the bulb. Now move the electric switch to the on position and let the bulb glow for a minute or so. Then after you have to switch on. Then let the bulb glow. Let the bulb glow for 1 minute or more than 1 minute. Again touch the bulb. Once again you have to, when bulb is glowing, at that time once again you have to touch the bulb. Do you feel any difference when in the previous position when the bulb was not glowing, and now the bulb is glowing from last 1 minute or more than time? Then also you touched the bulb, and do you feel any difference? After moving the switch back to off position, touch the bulb again. Then after, once again what you do? Once again you have to move the switch to off position. After some while, once again you will touch the bulb. Do you feel anything else? Okay, let's see the observation. What happens actually? See, when the switch is off, the bulb does not become warm. When the switch is off, the bulb does not become warm. But when the switch is on, for some time the bulb becomes warm. So the conclusion is what? When electric current flows through a wire, when an electric current flows through a wire, a part of the electric energy gets converted to the heat energy. When here we can say when the current is passed through the filament. Actually, it is also a kind of wire only, but when it passes through the filament, then a part of electrical energy gets converted to the heat energy. This is known as heating effect of current. This is the conversion of electric energy to heat energy. The conversion of electrical energy to heat energy, this conversion is known as heating effect of current. Okay, and let's go further. We have to go for another activity. There is another activity 14.3 or third activity is there. And what is the aim of that activity? See, to observe the heating effect of electric current. For that, first of all, make a circuit as shown in figure 14.10. This type of circuit is there. Take about 10 centimeter long piece of nichrome wire. In this one, we will require a nichrome wire. So where we can find out the nichrome wire? For that, and tie it between nails. Into bracket you can see, you can get nichrome wire from an electric repair shop, or you can use a piece of discarded coil of an electric heater. In electric heater also you can find out that nichrome wire, or directly go to the electric repair shop. Where you will find out the nichrome wire. So 10 centimeter long piece of nichrome wire we will require. Touch the wire. Now you can see this circuit is there. Switch is in the off position. At that time you touch the wire. Touch. This is, you can see two nails are there, and here this is nichrome wire. This is regular circuit. There is a cell, there is a switch, but in between these two pins we tie that nichrome wire. Okay. Now by this time the switch is in the off position. At that time touch this nichrome wire. Then now switch on the current in the circuit by moving the switch to the on. Now switch on so that this electric current will pass through this circuit. After a few seconds, touch the wire. After a few seconds, touch the wire. And there is a question: do not hold it for a long time. Just you touch this wire and once again take this. For a long time you should not touch the wire. Do not hold for a long time. Switch off the current, touch the wire again after a few minutes. So previously it was in the switch off position, touch the wire, once again you have to touch the wire. Sorry, switch on, after some time you touch the wire, once again switch off, after a few minutes once again touch the wire, like that. The wire gets hot when the electric current passes through it. This nichrome wire, what happens? The wire gets hot when an electric current passes through it. This is the heating effect of the electric current. So let's see these precautions as well as procedure we come to know now. Observation: nichrome wire remains at room temperature when the switch is off. The wire gets hot when the switch is on. Conclusion: when electric current flows through a wire, a part of the electrical energy gets converted to the heat energy. This is known as heating effect of current. So when the switch is in the on position, we will feel this wire is warm, or we can say this wire gets heat. So with this, we are ending this part with these two activities. You may go for this activity at your home also, but there is a caution: do not keep the switch in the on position for a long time, otherwise the cell may become weak very quickly. Okay, that is also can do, but you go for these two activities at your home and observe and come to the conclusion. And in the next part, once again we will discuss the heating effect of electric current. By this time we are ending this part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.